Hearty welcome to all the viewers to another edition of our channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is also called as future perfect progressive tense. So let us see the guideline for this tense. As usual, subject at the beginning, will or shall. Already we know very well, shall is used only for I and we, will for all the subject. Next one is have for all the subjects, whether it is he, she, it or I. Been, common. Next one is verb plus ing. Already we are very much familiar. Ing will be added only with the present form of verb. We call it as present participle also. So let us see instances, examples. He will have been driving. So he subject will have been driving. So correct example. All the guidelines are applied. She will have been shifting. They will have been dancing. I will have been guiding. It will have been crossing. So this is structure. Anything can be before it and after present participle. Nothing in between. So let us see the indicators. Which are the indicators of this tense? Will or shall plus have, then been. Last one is present participle. So kindly follow these guidelines. Summing up, I want to sum up. For all the subject, have should be used. This tense is also called future perfect progressive tense. Dear viewers, let us do this simple exercise to check our understanding of future perfect continuous tense. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. She will have been dash bracket admit. Only appropriate words you have to fill up. So correct answer is admitting. Since it is continuous tense, we have to write verb plus ing. We also call it as present participle. He will have dash inviting. The missing word is been. They will dash been donating. The correct word is have. So what is the speciality of this tense? Whether it is I or he, only have should be used. Have is uniform for all the subject in this tense. We shall have been dash construct. So correct answer is present participle constructing. Constructing is the correct answer. Let us go to the fifth sentence. Ramu will dash been honoring them. So correct answer is have. Have is the correct answer. So let us go to the indicators. Which are the indicators of this tense? So first indicator is will or shall. When will or shall, if we find, it is very clear, it is indicating future tense. Have is an indication of perfect tense. Next one is been. Been is generally used in perfect continuous tense. So last one is present participle or present form of verb plus ing. Present participle. Please check the description box for notes is of this tense. Thank you.